Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we discussed about solutions, definition examples, components of solution, binary solution, definition examples, characteristics of solutions, and also discussed the types of solutions based on nature of solvent. Once again, I just repeat the definition. Solution means a homogeneous mixture of two or more components. Best example, sugar in water, salt in water. Components. Sugar is one component. Water is also another component in sugar solution. Salt is one component. Water is another component in salt solution. Binary solution. A solution consists of only two components is called binary solution. The same example, salt in water or sugar in water solution. By itself indicates the number 2, therefore it consists of only two components. Characteristics of solution, there are 4 important characteristics. It should be homogeneous. Solute cannot be separated from solution by filtration. The properties like density, vapor pressure, boiling point, etc. are depend on relative amount of solute and solvent. And next one is the properties like pressure, temperature are may vary with the properties of solutions. Next one, types of solution based on nature of solvent. We know that solution is equal to, finally solution is equal to solute plus solvent forming a homogeneous mixture. Therefore, solution is equal to solute plus solvent. Therefore, based on the nature of solvent, the types of solution based on nature of solvent. If water is solvent, then they are called aqueous solution. If solvent other than water, then they are called non-aqueous solution. If solvent other than water, they are called non-aqueous solution. If solvent as ether, then they are called ethereal solution. If solvent as liquor ammonia or liquid ammonia, then they are called ammonical solutions. If one of the component has mercury, then they are called amalgams. If one of the components of the two component, that means either this one or this one has mercury, they are called amalgams. There are 4 types based on nature of solvent. If it is water, it is called aqueous solution. If the solvent other than water, they are called non-aqueous solutions. If solvent as ether, that means ether is just relevant to petrol, like petrol. It is highly volatile compound. If solvent as ether, then they are called ethereal solutions. If solvent as liquid ammonia, then they are called ammonical solutions. If solvent has mercury, one of the component, then they are called amalgams. These are the types of solution based on nature of solvent. Next types of solution based on physical states of matter. I put a heading, the same types of solution based on physical states of matter. That means each component of a binary solution, each component of a binary solution, once again, I repeat the definition of binary solution. A solution consists of two components is called binary solution. Only two components. Each component of a binary solution may be solid, liquid, and or gas. There are 9 types of solution. There are 9 types of solution based on physical states of matter. I will summarize it one by one here. There are 9 types of solutions and examples. I repeat again, types of solutions based on physical states of matter. In a binary solution, one components may be a solid, liquid, or gas. There are 9 types of solutions based on physical states of matter. I discussed it one by one as a tabular form shown under. First type of solution, solute, solvent. Common example. There are 9 types. First one, gaseous solution. First one, gaseous solutions. Solute may be gas, liquid, and solid. Gaseous solutions in which one component, that means gas, liquid, solid, solvent is taken as gas, gas, gas. Therefore, solvent is taken as gas, then they are termed as gaseous solutions in which solute may be gas, liquid, solid. Therefore, these are 3 types. Another one, liquid solutions. Liquid solutions. First one, gas, liquid, solid. Therefore, solvent as liquid, then they are termed as liquid solutions. Another 3, therefore 6. Next one, solid solutions. Again into 3 physical states as solute, gas, liquid, solid. Here the solvent is solid, solid, solid. Therefore, these are the 9 types of solutions in which they are further divided into gaseous solutions, liquid solutions, solid solutions. In gaseous solutions, solvent as gas. In liquid solution, solvent as liquid. In solid solution, solvent as solid. The other 3 physical states, gas, solute as gas, liquid, solid, gas, liquid, solid, gas, liquid, solid. Therefore, we discuss one by one with examples. Gaseous solutions, solute is, remember that solution is equal to solute plus solvent, forming a homogeneous mixture. Forming a homogeneous mixture, solution is equal to solute plus solvent. Remember that gaseous solution, gas is solute, solvent gas. Therefore, gas in gas, gas as solute, gas as solvent. The common example for this is air. It is a mixture of gases. Simply air, it is a mixture of gases. Therefore, mixture of main percentages are oxygen and nitrogen. The example for gas in gas, air. Air is a mixture of O2 gas and N2 gas. Therefore, it forms a homogeneous mixture. Hence, it is called a solution. Which type of solution here is gaseous solution, in which gas as solute, gas as solvent, air is. Therefore, air is a mixture of so many gases. In that, particularly oxygen and nitrogen contents are more in air. Therefore, forming a homogeneous mixture, air is an example for gas in gas. Liquid in gas. Liquid in gas. What is the example for liquid in gas? It is chloroform with nitrogen gas, or chloroform with air, nitrogen gas. Another example for liquid in gas, chloroform with N2 gas. Chloroform is a solvent, which is a liquid mixed with nitrogen gas, forming a homogeneous mixture. Hence, it is termed as gaseous solution, since solvent as gas. Therefore, another example for this liquid in gas is mists in air. నీటి తుంపరలు, ఎయిర్ లో గాలిలో ఉన్న నీటి తుంపరలు కూడా liquid in gas ki example. The textbook example is chloroform with nitrogen gas. Another one is solid in gas. Solid in gas, that is camphor in air. Camphor in air, or dust particles in air. Dust particles in air, dust particles as a solid, air is a gas. Therefore, camphor is another example for this solid in gas. Camphor means intlo veliginche karpuram. Camphor in air. Camphor mixed with air is an example for gaseous solution.